How to set the lock. Factory setting, non-registered fingerprint. Any finger can open the lock. Put a finger on the scanner, blue light on. Pull the door open. Note if blue light off, it will lock again. Make sure pull the door open when blue light on. It can store max 20 fingerprints. How to set the first fingerprint. Put the finger on the scanner and hold for 5 seconds. Release the finger until the cyan light on. Scan a new finger at slightly different angle for 5 times. Each scan will be followed by cyan light flashing. Light turns into green, the fingerprint is recorded. Scan the same finger at slightly different angles for 5 times. Light turns into green, the fingerprint is recorded. Testing if the registered fingerprint can work or not. Before lock the drawer. How to set the consequent fingerprints. Put the registered fingerprint on the scanner and hold for 10 seconds. Release the finger until light turns into cyan. Scan a new finger at slightly different angles for 5 times. Light turns into green, the fingerprint is recorded. Note, except for the first fingerprints or the consequent fingerprints, follow the same steps. How to initialize the lock. Put the registered fingerprint on the scanner and hold for 20 seconds. Light turns into red, release the finger immediately. Then light turns into green. The lock is initialized and all fingerprints clear off. Any finger can open the lock.